This video goes over some more examples of writing equations of lines. So I want to determine the equation of the line in standard form with the given characteristics. So as always, I need my m and my b and then my equation. The question tells me that the line has a y-intercept of -6, so I'm going to fill that in. And it also tells me that it's parallel to y equals -3/4x plus 1. Lines that are parallel have the same slope, so I know that the slope of the line that I'm looking for has to be the same value as in the given equation. Now I can write my equation, y equals -3/4x minus 6. I'm going to multiply by 4 to clear the fraction, which gives me 4y equals -3x minus 24. Now I can move everything over onto the left-hand side and set it equal to 0. Let's do a perpendicular example. So I'm not told my slope or my y-intercept, but I do know that the line I'm looking for is perpendicular to 3x plus y plus 8 equals 0. In order to determine that slope, I need to rearrange this equation into slope y-intercept form. Now I can see that the slope of this line is -3, and I am looking for a slope that is perpendicular to that. In order to do that, I need to flip the fraction and change the sign. Now I can substitute in the point that I'm given for x and y, which will allow me to solve for b. So 5 equals -1 plus b, which means b equals 6. Now I can write my equation as 1/3 x plus 6, multiplying by 3 to get rid of the fraction, moving everything over onto the left-hand side, and then multiplying through by -1 to ensure that that a value is positive. The next 4 examples are going to look at horizontal and vertical lines. So I know that m equals 0. This is a horizontal line. All horizontal lines have the equation y equals b. Because I know that it passes through this point, -3 is the y-coordinate. That means my equation must be y equals 3. Putting that in standard form is y plus 3 equals 0. The next one, I'm asked to find the equation of the line that's passing through these 2 points. What I notice right away is that my x values are the same, which means this has to be a vertical line. The form of all vertical equations is x equals a. In this case, a happens to be 2. Putting it into standard form would be x minus 2 equals 0. Example E, passing through -6, 3, and it's parallel to x equals -2. So x equals -2 is a vertical line. So that means that my slope of the line that I'm looking for also has to be undefined. So it must mean that I have another vertical line. So I'm going to draw, this is my x equals -2 right here. Now I'm looking for a line that is parallel to that and goes through the point -6, 3, which is right here. A vertical line that goes through that point must have all the same x coordinates, so x equals -6. Putting it into standard form is x plus 6 equals 0. Our last example here is a point that passes through 7 minus 5 and is perpendicular to y equals 4. So y equals 4 is a horizontal line. Perpendicular slope is undefined, so we're looking for another vertical line because it has to be perpendicular to a horizontal line. So that means we're looking for x equals a. Drawing a sketch here, I've got I've got y equals 4. And I know that it passes through the point 7 minus 5. The vertical line that goes through that point has to be x equals 7. Putting it into standard form is x minus 7 equals 0.